We were in the middle of our tournament when my friend John said he found a body in the bushes over there. I ran over there because I'm a healing monk to try and help, but obviously my magic wasn't strong enough because the dude's body was missing a head. So my friend decided to try and use a necromancer spell, which didn't work, which I knew it wouldn't. And apparently we contaminated the crime scene because that spell uses a lot of glitter.
I donate.
You prick. Oh God! You praise him, that bad man. Here, come here.
And even some Kurdish. I'm a victim of oppression.
I used to get in trouble for always using the N-word. But with DNA and me, I found out that I'm 2.1% black.
Morning, Steve.
Sup, nigga?
There we go.
It is said charity begins at home. And for these young orphaned elephants, this charitable foundation is what they call home. It is the place where they discover and are taught life's lessons, experience love, and grapple with loss. And even for millions of other species, home hangs in the balance. Human actions are destroying habitats, decimating our entire ecosystem, and disrupting the circle of life. And with the rise in drought cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
We know I do it for you. And where the fuck have you been? Missing in fucking action. I call your motherfucking phone to tell you to
My
put-
phone been disconnected. What the fuck you want me to do?
Well, I'm pregnant. You tell me what the fuck you gonna do.
Damn, you having
Shit,
5
girl.
babies?
No, it's one fucking baby. That's your nose, that's your leg, that's your motherfucking baby, bitch.
I'm not even black and white.
Motherfucker, that's the ink.
This ain't me.
Yeah, that's you, that's you, that's you.
And
all
what it
day.
is? This a what?
This is a girl.
I can't even have girls.
Yes, you can.
Hell no,
yes,
'cause
you
my
can.
mama had 5.
Okay, start. Ha! Jeez. Oh no. Oh no. Yes.
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. GG.
GG's.